You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, center armrest, 8 speakers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.